Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. It's an amazing one. You see, it's pretty cool to create that. Let's start with creating that. At first, we need to add a new slide. In the new slide, we need to add a rectangle, a triangle, rectangle, and I need to create these two rectangles. So how you can create them like pro? Increase the size of this to the size you want. Align it center, align it middle. Now it's really easy. Just create a rectangle this way and rotate it, reduce its size, align it center, middle. By holding Control, reduce its size and align the center, middle, select both of them, make them one shape and make them fragment. Your two shapes are ready. Now just select them, go to shape format and give them no outline, choose the color. This text is created using Overdrive Sunset. It's a font that you can install. And I'm going to color them blue with a little darker one. And here, I'm going to increase its size. But before that, I'm going to change something here. I'm going to give it some shadows. And this also some shadows. Copy that. Increase it in size till here, increase it in size till here. Then copy the text, bring this to the top, and I want to do something like that. I'm going to give this text outline of black. Set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. You see, it's look great. If you like it, tell me in the comments, and if you need anything, just ask me.